Welcome, neighbor. Tonight we're going to take a look at this cycle guide, April of 1974, a special trials issue. So pull up your chair and we're just going to page through it. I'm not going to read it word for word. We're going to look at some of the ads and I'm going to probably make fun of some of the motorcycles. Ooh, there's a pretty lady. Temptation. Commando 850 Super Plus bike with isolastic super ride. Watch this space. Here you can mail order how to become a motorcycle mechanic. And here we talk about the Honda XL 175, the XL 250 debuts. Honda celebrates its 15th year with anniversary record sales and bike bits. This issue, seasons change and so did I. You need not wonder why. You need not wonder why. You change your address, let them know. And here we have a Yamaha Variety back with 70 cubic inches of key locking space. Unstoppable taco. It's said that when it rains in Southern California, everything stops. And that was almost the case at Saddleback Park on a stormy January 6th. The occasion of the first ever World Trials Championship round in the U.S. There were 12 finishers out of the 60 starters. 4 of those 7 filled the trials' top 4 places. Alan Lampkin won from Malcolm Rathmel, Euro Vesternian, and Charles Coudard. Yamaha parts, the Super Squirt, tough padded trail wear. And you can get 36 issues for $15. Now you can insure your cycle guide copies against inflation for up to 3 full years. Power Play, introducing the all-new BMW motorcycles, bigger engines, disc brakes, 5-speed transmissions, dual instrumentation. Only BMW could build them. Mead&Co, the uncommon plug. The uncommon common plug, sorry. Mead&Co, you're amazing. And getting it all together. Here we got a Harley Davidson imported from Italy. And it's obvious it's broken. So he's just decided to stop there for the night, praying that maybe somebody will see his signal fire. Other than that, he's going to talk to himself for the next 12 hours, regretting his life choices for taking this air-cooled Italian-made piece of garbage out on the trail. The Great American Freedom Machine, AMF Harley Davidson. Oof, oh, that was some rough years, huh? There we go. The motorcycle prodigies. We've got a Honda MR50 and an XR75 K1. Honda has 2 junior-sized motocrossers to match a young enthusiast's size and talent. 4-stroke, 2-stroke. Accessories. If you want to find out how good your machine really is, put it on Continentals. Look at that tread pattern. Kenny Roberts, before he even was in the MotoGP with that RD. Someday you'll own a Yamaha. Introducing the rebuildable helmet by Arai. We swept 8 world records at Bonneville. Unbelievable. So was Super Chain. And 8 ounces of prevention. You can get pretty much every one for $5.50. And the encyclopedia is $9. The ads are amazing. Come hell or high water, our foot pegs won't let you down. Here we have a KE 175 paving the way. The end of the road can be the start of your fun, provided that you started out on a dual-purpose motorcycle, such as one of the 6 intrepid Kawasaki Enduro machines. An enduro bike is generally thought to have 2 purposes, riding on the road and off the road as well. But we probably don't have to tell you that. Such a motorcycle will serve about as many purposes as you want it to. From getting you to a place where the fish are still biting to getting you home from work while supper is still warm. From running errands around town to riding places you didn't know existed. And when it comes to getting the job done, Kawasaki is paving the way for others to follow with endurable enduros indeed. Beginning with a small machine that's ideal for beginners and ranging through a variety of sizes up to a big 350, wherein beats the heart of a true mountaineer. All with an impressive array of features that make them equally worthy of both street and trail. The better to pave your way to many an exciting moment. Kawasaki. Oh, let the good times roll. Bear Lake. A GUI debut for America. So we had all these people come over from every other part of the world to ride trials, and California gets a catastrophic rain dumping. Over there, they'll remember this trials for a long, long time. Here we've got ex-motocross champion Jeff Smith out on a prototype. We have the winner, Alan Lampkin, right here. We have young Maryland Whaley, the California champion, puzzles over the best line through a trap. And here we have one of the youngest Americans. I think that is note number 5. One of the youngest Americans on the Yamaha team, Bob Hopkins, finds himself getting a little carried away. Number 6, our little mountain goat. The best thing about trials is that anyone can enjoy it. And number 7, this was the smaller of the day's 2 major jams. I bet it was brutal. Here we've got leather stitched style, so you can get your cargo case with a stitching on it, like a pleather. So in about 5 years, that'll all fall apart. How to ride trials, which this is actually a really good walkthrough. And I'm telling you, if you want to be the best rider in the world, get a little bike and do circles around a tree. Try to do little various techniques. It's going to make you a better rider in so many ways. And you're slow, so you're not going to get hurt super bad. Hopefully. Dabbing, bunting, and parodiing your way through school. A baseball star, a prima ballerina, 2 world champions, 2 trials clubs, Yamaha International, and a cast of thousands exposed a British export that will never help England's balance of payments. So this is quite a bit about the trials. And then tracking down the wobbles, you think both your wheels always go in the same direction, huh? Not always, but here's why they don't. What happens when they don't and how to make sure they don't. Talking about alignment and discussing alignment stuff. The Yamaha TX500, what it does well, what it does very well, and what it does poorly, it shouldn't. Makes 31.9 horsepower at 8,500. Ooh, that's cool. Norton John Player Replica Cafe Racer. You get one in a lifetime if you're lucky. Talking about story continued, I'm guessing. It's pretty cool how they use the glossy paper and then like the regular real paper. Making it easy, Honda 450 valve adjustment. Why didn't they think of this? Why buy an economy car when a multiple use Hodaka 125 can be more fun and more economical? Here we're talking about the Honda TL 125. Let me know in the future if you'd like me to read through some of these articles. Power specs, performance specs. Feel free to pause it, zoom in. Honda, what economy cars started out to be. How the Wobblings won the mountain. And this is a story about a family of motorcycles that the humans are just along for the ride. I have not read the whole story, but maybe I should. Flat track is cool. Oh, look at that artwork. Awesome. You just don't see it like that anymore. TT flat tracking here in Texas. Pretty cool. You gotta find a different way to turn the page, Bob Seeger. More flat tracking. Look at there. Those guys were nuts. Completely nuts racing on wood. Check this out. This is a 1000cc V twin. He did a $120. A $120 for a one lap. World record 120.5. One lap average. Jesus, could you imagine? Honda line leathers. That's pretty cool. Challenge the energy crisis with a Spirit Eagle sidecar. K&N high performance air filters. That is the coolest ad ever. When you're not kidding around, Honda line. Now sizes for riders age 8 and older.
Thank you for watching. What was your favorite motorcycle magazine?
Gear up with Honda line. Bassani. Wow, that is so cool. Bassani beats the competition. Certified motorcycle mechanic. Get yourself the chopper picture. Custom chopper at half price. That is actually really cool. Yoshimura Racing. Our engines do our talking. Daytona 12 world and American speed and endurance records on our 903 Kawi Z1. Our first attempt. Bonneville, 8 world records in 3 days and 8 runs. Our first visit to the Salt Flats, but not our last. Let our engines do your talking. The ultimate in Honda and Kawasaki performance parts and engine building. Yoshimura Racing, Shasta Way, Simi Valley, California. Custom handlebars. Oh, microplating. I wonder if that was like the beginning of Nicosil. DID alloy wheels, 18 through 21, $40. Look at that. Windjammer. There's still nothing like it. Elite Motors, Europe's #1 cycle shop. Ooh, and what do we got here? The Montesa 250 King Scorpion. That's pretty cool. And then there's a cool Indian on the back. This sure was a good read. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. I hope you come back for another episode because I've got better lighting, better audio. And since about 3 or 4 days ago when I started this, I got a haircut. I lost a tooth. And my MRI came back and I have to have shoulder surgery soon. So along with my speech impediment, I won't be able to use my arm for a couple of months. And so I'll be making a lot of videos soon. Our next video is going to be on this Suzuki GT 750 2-stroke smooth. Please join me in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.